Hi guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the best Nigerian pepper soup spice. For this, you'll be needing uziza seeds and you'll also be needing dried ginger. You can add this to your preference. This is buffalo. You will have to crack it open to get out the content. And you also be needing oda. Oda is somehow bitter, and so you will have to use as little as possible. And finally, ehuru seeds. I bought already skinned ehuru to ease work for me. Mix all the ingredients and roast. You will have to roast for about 1 to 2 minutes on a low heat, and you have to periodically roll them in a pan as you roast. Once you are done roasting, you quickly transfer them in a plate to cool down and to prevent them from burning. Once completely cooled, transfer them into a dry blender to blend, or you can also pound them with a mortar and pestle. Transfer into a sieve to get out the powder. Now you have your homemade pepper soup spice mix to use in any Nigeria pepper soup recipe. I thank you all so much for watching. Stay blessed until I come your way again on Sunday. Bye bye.